This video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $75 per day with Amazon and with AI. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can earn $75 per day using Amazon and AI. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. The other thing is that, hey, you need to make sure that you're going to be watching the entire video and you need to be consistent with the implementation of this strategy, okay, in order to get the best results. Let me know where you guys are watching me, leaving me in the comments. So I'm going to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is going to be helpful for you and that is going to be available in your area. Okay. As I mentioned, okay, we are going to go with how you can earn $75 per day with Amazon and with AI. Okay. So first of all, there are a couple of websites that we are going to be using. And don't worry, these are not going to be like a really long steps that you need to follow. But again, you need to be consistent with the implementation. The very first thing is that you need to set up your own online stores. Okay, there are two websites that I'm going to be recommending. Okay, the first one is going to be Shopify. I'm pretty sure that right now you already know about Shopify. This is a huge e-commerce platform that has been around for some years right now, and that are going to be helping you set up your store without any kind of technical knowledge. Okay. So this is definitely a tool that you need to use in order to make the most with this strategy. Okay. So I know that, yeah, there is some, you know, charges involved, but you can start with literally for free. Okay, you can start for free. There is no credit card required. By entering just your email, you agree to receive marketing emails by Shopify. And the other thing is that you're going to start for free. Then you're going to enjoy $1 a month, $1 per month for 3 months. So they're going to make sure that you're going to be in profit. Okay, this is a tool that you can use. Another tool that you can use, and this is actually one that I'm and using is called System.io. By the way, I'm going to be leaving a link below to System.io so you can open a free account. But you can see here, there is no credit card required. You can literally offering for free, and they have different plans as with Shopify. Okay, we have this free plan here. We have the starter plan, the webinar plan, and the unlimited plan. The unlimited plan, it's going to be $97, and that's it. You don't need to have anything extra, and you're going to have all the tools that you actually need in order to create your store, in order to build funnels, to do email marketing, which is actually extremely important if you guys want to make sure, okay, that you are going to make not just one sale, but several sales, okay? Because you're going to keep recommending, people, other people's products via email. That's basically, the main difference between System.io and Shopify. Shopify is just to create a store. And with System.io, you can actually do everything. Okay. Remember that I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account with System.io. Now, definitely you will need to create an account with Amazon, but it's not going to be any account. It's going to be an account for the Amazon Associate Program. Okay, here in the Amazon Associate Program, um, you are going to sign up for the program. You're going to have the opportunity to recommend all the products that Amazon have available, and you can earn up to 10% commission. Okay, you can earn up to 10% commission with Amazon. Okay, so really easy, really simple. You can join this program. Literally, you can go Google Amazon Associate and you're going to have the opportunity to be part of it. Okay. It's free for you guys to join. Here in Amazon, you already know that they do have a lot of products. This is actually the number one online store or retail store. Okay. But there is always room for everybody. There is always room for, you know, to actually earn with them. Okay. So first, make sure that you're going to create and store that is going to be based on a specific niche. Okay. You're going to have a targeted niche because with that, you're going to have a possibility to earn way more money rather than if you try to sell all the things that Amazon has. Okay. My idea is it's not that you cannot do it, but people do trust more targeted stores. Okay. That's the reason why I'm recommending. Okay. You can go, for example, here to the best sellers and you can see which are the trending topics. Okay. For example, you can see them here on the cell phone and accessories. Okay. And you can click here and you can see more of the products. Here, for example, we have the Amazon devices and accessories. We have the best sellers in art, craft, and sewing. Um, automotive, sport and outdoors, home and kitchen. Okay, so these are the best selling items. So these are the best selling niches that you can actually go with. And this is specific strategy, okay, because we're using Amazon. Okay, so now whenever you choose a product, how do you get your link? Okay, you click on the product and you're going to notice that you're going to have a bar on the top. This is the bar that I'm talking about. Is this one that says influencers and associate site Stripe. Okay, here you're going to have some information. Okay, for this specific product, my commission, it's 4%. Okay, for this specific product. And you must click here where it says get link. Okay, here on get link. And this is actually the link that you are going to be sharing. You can get all the information about this product and all the images and everything here on Amazon. Okay, you can get everything here from Amazon. So you don't need to overthink about this. Now, by now, you might have some products that you would like to promote. You can keep adding products. Okay, you can keep adding products. And if you're using System.io to build your online store and do the email marketing, which is a powerful combination, you can drive traffic to your store. And then when people click on the link, they can go and they can purchase a product here on Amazon. Okay. So now we need traffic. Okay. We're going to be needing eyeballs. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you're really serious about making money online, check the very first link in the description with my #1 recommendation to make money online. Okay. So now where we can get traffic from, we can get traffic from websites such as Medium. So you can go to medium.com and you can drive traffic from here. Okay. You can open a free account and you can become a writer here on Medium. But don't worry, you don't have to write the article. We're going to be using AI for this. Okay. So let me share with you an example. Here I type the prompt that says, and I have it here. Okay. Here I have the prompt that says, write a 1,000-word article about the top 10 kitchen products take that are making people life easier. Let people know why they are so helpful and how to use them. Make an article easy to read. Okay, even if I thought I made a mistake, that ChatGPT used the AI, and here's the article: the top 10 kitchen products that are making life easier. Okay, here we have an introduction. They're talking about air fryers. They're talking about Instant Pot. They're talking about mandolin slicers. So I can go and I can actually find the links about the products here in Amazon. Okay, here on Home and Kitchen, or I can tell Amazon like, hey, I want you to write me an article about this specific product, the Beckham Hotel Collection bed pillow standards. Okay, for example. Okay, so I can also be like, hey, since I already know that people love air fryers, you can go to Amazon and you can make a look here about air fryers. And you can tell Amazon like, hey, these are not Amazon, ChatGPT, like these are the air fryers that I would like to remove. Please write me an article about them. And here on Medium, you can have the title and you can write the description. Okay, you can write a description. You are not going to use your links directly to Amazon. We are going to be sending the traffic to our online store. Okay, just in case that they want to take a look to other products, they can do that as well. Okay, guys. So again, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.